What's up, everybody? It's BPM here. It is Saturday. I told you in the last video that something special was coming this week, and it is. We are in Las Colinas at Absolute Recomp for the first cars versus exotic, basically cars and coffee in the morning. But yeah, this ought to be good. A lot of cars we've seen, maybe some things we haven't seen. It's early, I know. I need some coffee. So with that, let's get it started, baby. All right, so it's early, and we're seeing this Lamborghini. I think it's STO or not. Yes, STO just being unloaded. So let's go down our line early in the morning. We are here. Love that Porsche. Just down the line. We're seeing what the heavies brought. I believe they are the sponsors. Bentley. What is this? Aston? Yeah. Oh man. And check out my dude on the end. Look at that. I've seen this truck before, but yes, that is nice. Nice old Chevy. Good Z06, black and red spec. Into your morning, baby. Woo! Oh yeah. Very nice. Corvette Z06, I can hear that a mile away. Oh my. Nice. Woo! BMW M something. I keep getting those confused, bro, because they keep changing. I don't know. And the GTR. That's a nice spec GTR too. Coming in with the Urus. And another BMW M something. Sorry guys. You know M3. That's about it. Slow roll in on the Lotus. And the Abarth. And what's up with the Kia though? Stinger. It's a cool spec. Yes sir. SV. Mercy. I don't think I've ever seen that car before. And I've been to a lot of these. Classic C3. Ooh, that's smooth. Highlighter spec. That's clean. Ooh, GT3 RS. That's something I've never seen before. This Bel Air sounds nasty. Listen closely. GT4 RS, baby. Oh, I love that. That is so cool. When's the last time we saw one of those just straight stop? What year GTR is this? Orange spec. Alpha. Me loves a good Shelby in the morning. Oh wow. Early is nice. Look at the size of this thing. The MGUs. Uh-oh, I hear something in the distance. And the roller. It's a Ford Galaxy, isn't it? 500. Oh yeah. Sky blue. The Zoo Racing. Oh, I love the Vipers. You never just see one. You always see like a couple. Bandit Trans Am. Yes, sir. Likes to party. Got a pretty wide area. This ought to be interesting because I think this is all going to fill up. Nice. I think I saw these twin Lotuses before in our last video. Nice. Yo, there's gonna be a serious traffic jam. I can see this starting already. Even though we're not starting till 8, it's already starting to back up over there. This is gonna be interesting. Woo! With the Jaguar. Did I say that right? Jaguar? It's class. It's really class. Those Montana plates. I wonder why. Classic M3. I know this. Plus it says it on the front. Yeah, I said it. So they're bringing the heavy hitters. The heavy hitters are here. And I don't think that's the last one we're going to see today. Oh, Targa. Nice. All right, starting to pack up. I'm heading over where Hypercars are because I think there's going to be a large array of them today. A large array. We're already backed up outside. It's not, sun's not even completely up yet, so let's go. There's something really special about this Crown. If you didn't know, check my other videos. Something really, really special. Mr. Richard doing his back it up, Mike. Hypercar parking. More hypercars and regular cars and supercars and everybody's going to be here. Oh my God, this is going to be huge. This is going to be really, really huge. So this might be the new Cantina. This one, it's going to be a huge turnout. You got plenty of parking and I don't know. You can hear that thing going over me. Drones everywhere. This ought to be interesting. The more and more I'm thinking about this, the more and more I'm starting to like this one. Back to the roll-in. Your boy's getting hot. Yeah, I don't know what's going to be the best place to shoot, but we'll keep doing it. It's R8 though. It's almost like a Tiffany blue spec. Maybe a Miami blue. I don't know. Cobra 127. For GT3, I'm sorry. It's still early. people now. I'm hungry. I want coffee. Yeah, pretty big. I think this is pretty much about the biggest cantina, but I think a lot of people opted for the spectator side, so we'll see. Interesting. Check a look at this NSX yellow on yellow spec. Woo! Right behind the big boys. Z06s. Matching Z06s. Actually, this isn't a Z06, that's CBR. This is Z06, or maybe they both are, I don't know. Another STO, that gray and orange spec. So usually when you see crowds like this, it's around like a LaFerrari or something like that, but no. It's this. Bentley. Oh yeah. Nice. The sun is finally out. In the mass of people. GT3. Saw that earlier. Next to the Aston. But check this out. Let me go over here. That's an original bird.
Something like that. So.
OG. That's crazy. Nice C28. Oh, take a look at the Jaguar. Yeah. My dude says red icon. Nothing else needs to be said. So as you can tell, your boy's been walking for a while. And I'm tired, you know? I know I said that in a lot of videos, but yeah, it's a lot to walk. And you gotta walk up a hill. Wonder how the rollouts are gonna be. For the first turnout for this show, not bad at all. Hey, wait, I hear it's Z06. Oh yes, sir. Everybody's favorite new supercar. Nice spec too. Bandit spec, but different year. What year is this? 76, 77? I don't know. You know what time it is. live. I like this. Trust me, don't want it to end. This is my church on the weekend. This is my solace. This is my happiness. Anyway, if you like the video, like, subscribe, leave comments, because, you know, I'm always down for that. Tell me what you like, you don't like, all that cool stuff. And, well, until the next one, late.